In this video, we are covering the standard layout of a guest room in hotels. Suppose this is the room. Room sizes might vary from one hotel to another, but as per HRSCC, these are the minimum room sizes a hotel must have according to their star category. From here, we have entrance or door for the room. Behind the door, you will normally find a wardrobe. What's inside the wardrobe? That we will discuss in another video on guest room supplies and amenities. Next to wardrobe, we have luggage rack. It might be fixed or portable. In traditional setup, next to luggage rack, we have credenze. It's a kind of low piece of furniture with short legs. Originally, it was provided in dining room for keeping leftover food, holding snacks, beverages, and in drawers, linen and serving dishes were kept. Nowadays, in hotels F&B outlets, we use sideboard or dummy waiters for the same purpose. Now, without stretching it, let's come back to our topic. Hotels started using credenze in its guest room for keeping TV on the top, as in old time TVs were large and cannot be hanged or mounted on wall. So credenze was used. Guests could use its drawers for keeping their personal items. Also, once you put TV on credenze, so no space for using it for writing. But it was mandatory for hotels to provide writing table or desk. So a separate writing table is provided with drawers. What's inside these drawers we'll cover in another video on guest room supplies. Now between credenze and writing table, adjacent to writing table, we have minibar cabinet. Inside it we have small refrigerator to keep soft and hard drinks. Normally what's inside the minibar is on chargeable basis. For more detail, check this video. Now in recent times, normally you will not notice this credenze in hotel rooms. LED TVs are mounted on walls. So below TV, we have a long extended writing table. Same way, one side you will notice the drawers, and to another side inside the writing table we have minibar cabinet. Also with this writing table, many hotels also provide a popping up table switchboard with charging socket, LAN port, HDMI or VGA port connected to LED TV. Some also provide a laptop stand, and even you may find a tablet or iPad. Hotels try to make it more convenient for today's business travelers. Hence this table is also called business table. You will also find a stationery folder either on the top or in the drawers of this table. Inside it you have A4 size papers, letterhead, fax paper, pencil, pen, eraser, sharpener, scale, etc. Now moving to the next wall, mostly you will notice a window there. In metro cities, it is a fixed window on entire wall. In hilly areas for seeing scenic beauties, this window opens in a balcony. Now moving ahead, just opposite to TV, which is mounted on the wall above writing table here, there is our bed. As we are taking a standard room, so suppose this is a double bed. Make sure TV position is in the center of the bed. Now on the top toward the head of the bed we have headboard. Normally you will find it fixed on the wall. Now in case of double bed, on both sides we have bedside tables. Now you can see this empty space. Here we place coffee table and chairs. One business or writing chair is near to writing table. Now come to one more important space in bedroom, that is bathroom. This is the entrance or door of the bathroom. This side you will have a countertop with attached basin. On both sides you will notice space for keeping additional bathroom items. In front you will notice a mirror on the wall. Now this complete countertop is called Vanity Counter. Sometimes you will also notice some drawers below this counter, and some hotels leave it empty and a sanibin is placed near to or below the vanity counter. Now moving ahead, you will notice a shower area. If it is a closed space with glasses, it's called shower cubicle. Some hotels also provide bathtub instead of shower cubicle. In some luxury hotels, you may find both. Now here we have water closet, that is our WC, and close to it there is sanibin. Now guys, for more detail related to bathroom supplies, we will make another video. Now one more term that is asked in exam or in viva, that is vestibule area. This space between the door and till this bathroom ends, here we have vestibule area. Vestibule is a kind of passageway to enter into main bedroom. Do note, this is a standard layout but not fixed, or there are no guidelines or rules related to the layout of hotel guest room. So you might find some differences from one hotel to another. Now let's cover one more similar layout, that is of twin bedded room. There are two identical single bed. Now twin bedded room, there is one bedside table between these two beds. Mostly rest of the layout remains the same. Well guys, that's all for the layout of standard double room and twin bedded room. In the next part of this video, we will cover the layout of suite room, which is one of the luxurious room of the hotel. For that, stay tuned on Hospitality Broadcast.